On top Obaseki reforms for Edo State, parents, teachers and students don hail am well on top wetin e don do for education as e revamp Benin Technical College. Belle don sweet the parents, teachers and students wey dey go Benin Technical College as dem salute Governor Obaseki unto say im administration don do ogbonge investment for education sector as e don change the face of Benin Technical College, come still change the name of the school to Government Science and Technical College. The stakeholders tell Tori people for Benin City say their support dey gidigba with Governor Obaseki and im deputy, Right Honourable Philip Shaibu, as dem dey plan to come back for second term. Dem talk say Obaseki administration try well as dem don revamp and better technical and vocational education and training for Edo State. Abiodun Ekudayo, wey be GSS3 students of Government Science and Technical College, talk say him and the other students don dey learn well for wetin Oyibo dey call conducive environment with 24 hours light, and their teachers don dey receive ogbonge training and equipment wey go help dem teach well. Ekudayo talk say dem don get state-of-the-art library with ICT laboratories wey get internet connectivity. One of the computer science teachers for the school, Osage Williams, salute Governor Obaseki well as he don improve technical education for Edo. He talks say the new look of the school don't make plenty students won't come enroll for the school. Williams talks say since Obaseki don't become governor for Edo State, the technical school don't turn to first-class learning center as students now go fit learn and practice with computers from JSS1 to SS3. One of the parents, Abiodun Osage, talks say him children first they run up and down, they hide, make them for no go school. But now then they by themselves, they ready they go school. He salute Obaseki well and he pray may God give him the strength to do more work. Mrs. Omorogbe, wey be Vice Principal for Government Science and Technical College, salute Governor Obaseki for all the work wey he don do for on top the school infrastructure. She talks say them they happy well for the facilities where they the school now. As she talks say if teacher and students they comfortable, teacher go fit teach well and students self go learn well. This one are the Ogbonge information they carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As parents, teachers and students of Government Science and Technical College don't throw a better salute give Governor Obaseki on top the Ogbonge work wey he don do for the school. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this Ogbonge informate they come sama una, and my name na Edo Gogo Edolei.